Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the GfxEM module has stopped working on your computer. Intel graphics driver that might not be working properly, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu, just left click on the start button one time, type in device manager. Best match should come back with device manager here. Left click on that one time. Now you want to go ahead and expand the display adapter section, so just double click on display adapters or left click on the little arrow next to expand, and then the display adapter that is shown underneath, you want to right click on it and then left click on update driver. Now you want to search for drivers. I'd recommend searching automatically for updated driver software. Now in the event that this does not find anything, just take note of wherever the driver name is right up here. Again, in your case will be different than mine, and just Google it and get it directly from Intel's website, and it should have an automatic utility that will be able to download and install it for you. Again, it'll be specific more than likely for your computer, so just give it a moment to run here. Should say the best drivers for your device are already installed as one possibility. So again, maybe it will find an update, maybe not. Click on close, wizard just restart your computer. And then, like I said, if you're still having problems, go on to Intel's website and actually download the display adapter. So just go on Google, type in whatever the display adapter is listed in here and just type in update, and it should be from an Intel website, should be one of the top search results. Just click on it and let it run the automatic utility to install it onto your computer. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.